Hi everybody, this is Douglas, and I'm here on Lichess looking at a couple of chess puzzles, and this is the puzzle of the day for today. Alright, so this one, first thing I notice is that the queen, the mate threat on h8, and so obviously this one's got to be either taking his queen or somehow mating him. Okay, so if I move my knight, that would put him in check, right? And then I can't get to his queen. Move my rook, nope, checkmate, all right. Queen, bishop, so it looks like it's, okay, I think I figured it out. If you want to pause the video. Okay, I think it is knight, check, and then sacrifice the queen for the smothered mate. Oh yeah, I like that smothered mate. Alright, let's look at another one. So this is at the fairly beginning, the opening. Made a mistake in the opening. What could it be? My knight. Is there a fork? Pinned piece. It looks like it is, oh, yep, I think I figured it out. Okay, so if you want to pause the video, it's bishop here, and take the queen. That is a pretty cool one too. All right, right at the beginning, that's going to be like the first 5 moves. Let's just do one more. All right, so the knight takes, this is kind of the middle game here. We've got a possible queen, but that wouldn't happen. He's got his queen protecting it. Knights, bishops. Where are we going with these bishops? Fork here? No. Fork. Pawn up. Yeah, this is a tricky one. Some of these are a little tricky. Oh, so just pawn up. They would just move back. That's too easy. Queen takes, no. Oh, take the pawn? That doesn't do anything. What kind is this? Alright, well, just gonna give it a try. If you want to pause the video. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, let's just go here. Yeah, that's wrong. What could it be? That's not that. No. Sometimes you get frustrated, huh? No, what? Sometimes you just gotta view it. Oh my gosh. Some of those are just so obvious. They're like right in your face. That is a queen pin. Look at that. Wow, right in the back there. Alright, well, some of the obvious ones just miss. They're so easy. Thanks for watching. Hope you... oh, was it taking a knight? So you're trying to get it back? Wow. That last move. Boom. Alright, thanks for watching. Here's some of my